Hi everyone, I'm Yasmin Karachiwala and you're watching me on Femina Virtual Beauty Carnival. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you a 15-minute Pilates flow workout, so let's get started. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale and slowly roll down towards the floor. Imagine you're going over a big beach ball. Let your head hang down. Inhale and exhale, pulling up your pelvic floor. Slowly roll up, stacking your spine, one vertebrae on top of the other. Shoulders back, head looking straight. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, imagine that you're taking your back off from a wall behind you. As you go towards the floor, it's not important to touch the floor, but keep your knees straight and let your head hang heavy. Inhale and exhale, slowly roll up, stacking your spine against that imaginary wall behind you. Shoulders go back and then your head comes up. 2 more times. Inhale to exhale and roll your body down. Inhale into your back, pull your pelvic floor up and exhale, roll up, stacking your spine, one vertebrae on top of the other. On the last one, we're adding on. Inhale to take your arms up. Exhale, go over that big beach wall, pulling your belly to spine as you go towards the floor. Hold it there. Get your hands on the floor, bend your knees a little bit if you need, and walk out into a plank. Inhale on 4 counts. Exhale, exhale. Hold that plank. Get one knee down, take it back up, and the other knee down to take it back up. Right and back and left. Keep your shoulders stable, putting equal pressure on both hands. Left and the last one on each side and left. Hold that plank, pulling your abs in, squeezing your glutes. Take your butt up towards the ceiling as you go into a pike. Hold that position for a second. Round your back as you come into a plank and straighten out to a straight line from your head to your heels. Again, starting with your tailbone, belly pull to spine, going up, your heels are remaining high, and lift to come back into a plank. Keep your heels high throughout the movement. And one more pike. And lift your heels even higher to come into a plank, straighten up. Inhale, exhale, send your tailbone up towards the ceiling. Inhale and exhale, come back into a plank. Come into an all fours position for the cat stretch. Round your back, looking at your belly. Extend your spine. Inhale, exhale to round your back. Come back into neutral and then open your chest. Imagine you have a light that you want to shine in the front. Come to neutral. Pull your abdominals in and round up towards the ceiling. Equal pressure on both hands. Pushing your tailbone away from the top of your head. Let there be oppositional energy flowing and open the chest to shine that light to the wall in front of you. Pull your abdominals in to hollow and then exhale to come back into extension. Find your neutral. Let your opposite hand and leg go away from each other and then come back. Try not to shift anything in your body and hold on to your core as you send your hand and leg away from each other, creating oppositional energy, and come back. And then other hand and leg away. Think of reaching the hand and leg away and not lifting it. The position of your back doesn't change. You're still going to maintain neutral spine. 2 more times on each side and reach it away and come back and reach it away, away, away. Lengthen. Feel that length in your spine, holding your belly to spine all the time. 1 more on each side. Reach it away and come back. And the last one, reach, reach, reach and come back. From there, go into a child's pose and just stretch yourself out. Come back into all fours. And from there, take your legs to one side, sitting back, getting your legs in front of you, and then hold the back of your thighs as you hollow your belly to roll down. Inhale and exhale, roll up, extending your back and pulling your belly to spine, roll back. Inhale and exhale to come up, extending your spine. 2 more times, roll back, shoulders relaxed. Inhale and exhale to come back. Keep squeezing your inner thighs together and hollow your belly to roll back. And come up all the way, extending your spine. Sit to the front, get your legs to tabletop, roll down till your lower back touches the floor. Pull one knee to chest, sending the other leg away. Single leg stretch, elbows are wide, head is lifted up, shoulder blades are off, and switch. 1, switch. We're going to do this for 6 repetitions. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2 more, 5, 5, last one, 6 and 6, and double leg stretch. Both knees to chest, reach hands and legs away, circle the hands, pull the knees to chest. Inhale, send it out in opposite directions. 3, 6 repetitions of double leg stretch. 4, and hug the knees. 5, and hug the knees. Last one, and hug the knees. Take one leg straight up to the ceiling, other leg straight down, hovering the mat, and pull the leg towards you for 2. Pulse, pulse, switch, and pulse, pulse, switch, and pull, pull, switch, and pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch, and pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch, and exhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. 1 more on each side. Exhale, inhale, and exhale, exhale, and get both legs up. Interlace your fingers behind your head. Flex your legs to lower them down. Point to lift them up. And 2 to lift up. Keep pulling your abdominals in. 3, go only as low as your lower back allows you. 2 more repetitions. 5, and up. And the last one, up. Bend your knees, send one leg away, rotate towards the bent knee for crisscross, and switch. 1, switch. 2, switch. 3, switch. Keep pulling your abs in. Switch. 5, switch. Last one, switch. Hold the back of your legs to come up to seated position. Get your legs in a diamond. Sitting up tall, hands out to the side. Bend your elbows, and we're going to do spine twists. So you're going to rotate, rotate, center, and rotate, pulse, center, and rotate, pulse, center, and rotate, pulse, center. Keep going. Keep sitting up tall on those sit bones. Keep your abs pulled in. Rotate, pulse, center, and rotate, rotate, center. 2 more on each side. Rotate, rotate, center. Last one, rotate, 1 more on each side. Rotate, rotate, center. Last one, rotate, rotate, center. Take your hands up and bring them to your legs. And give me 2 breaths here. Inhale to exhale. Inhale to exhale. Last one, inhale to exhale, and extend your spine up. We're going to do mini roll downs. So you're going to, modified roll ups. So you're going to go all the way down. Take your hands over your head. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, bring your head in the framework of your arms and take a big breath to come up and contract forward towards your legs. Inhale to exhale and roll down. Use your abdominals. Control yourself down and go up. This is not a sit-up. You want to use your abdominals to lift yourself up, articulating the spine off the mat. Inhale to exhale and roll yourself down, articulating the spine on the mat, and then back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, head in the framework. Take a full breath to curl up and shoulders down as you go into forward contraction. And roll down. We're going to do one more after this and then move on to the next exercise. And then inhale up, exhale, and a full breath to come up and over your legs. Excellent. Sit up tall and take your legs out to go onto your stomach for some back extension. Get your hands in a W. Get your feet as wide as you need to get your pelvis on the mat. Take your shoulders down your back. Imagine you're rolling a marble with your nose and come up into a swan and exhale to go down. Take your shoulders down your back, roll the marble, inhale to come up and exhale, pulling your abdominals away from the mat as you go down. Shoulders glide down your back, roll the marble, fix your head. As you come up, make sure that the tip of your pelvis is still on the mat and then slowly go down. Let's do this 2 more times. Shoulders glide down your back, roll the marble, come up, look straight ahead and exhale to go down. And the last one, glide your shoulders, roll the marble, inhale to come up and exhale to go all the way down. Take your arms and legs in opposite direction. We're going to do opposite arm and leg lift. So you're going to lift your opposite arm and leg, reaching it away from each other and lower it down. And lift the other arm and leg, reaching it away from each other and lower it down. Keep going. Lift and reach and lower down. And lift and reach and lower down. Lift, reach and lower down. And inhale to lift, exhale to come down. Last one on each side. Inhale to lift, exhale to come down. And inhale to lift and exhale to come down. We're going to do some swimming. So lift both arms and legs, reaching them away from each other, stomach pulling away from the mat. And let's go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come down. Take your hands under your shoulders. Curl your toes. Push yourself away from the mat to come into a plank. We're going to do some push-ups. You can always do knee push-ups. We're going to do 5 push-ups. 1 and up. And 2 and up. And 3 and up. And 4 and last one, 5 and up. Send that tailbone up towards the ceiling and walk yourself forward without bending your knees. Forward, 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 and then roll yourself up, stacking one vertebrae on top of the other. Take your shoulders back and look straight ahead. From there, we're going to do some shoulder rolls. So take your shoulder back, 2, 3, 4, and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your legs slightly away. We're going to plie and imagine we're hugging a big beach ball. So this is how you want to look. And we're going to extend our chest up to the ceiling and hug that big beach ball. And extend your chest up to the ceiling. 2 more times. Hug that big beach ball, pulling your abs in. And extend. And the last one. Hug that big beach ball, deep plie, deep contraction, and extend up to the ceiling. From there, inhale, take your arms up to exhale them down. 2 more times. Inhale, take your arms up to exhale them down. This time, as you take your arms up, go up on the balls of your feet and imagine that your spine wants to grow towards the ceiling. Keep that length as you lower your arms and your legs. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks so much for tuning in.